We are starting off with a team from Banyan Tree, that is in Amethi, Lucknow. We have Hansraj Smarak from Dilshad Garden, Delhi. Then we have DPS School, that is Jharkhand. Sunbeam School, that is Varanasi. And Indian School Al Wadi Al Kabir, that is Muscat, Oman. Welcome, everybody.
Welcome you all.
So before we proceed, I'll start off with a basic idea of all the rounds that you will be having. The mail of the same was sent to you today morning and yesterday also. So let's have a look at that. We have got the first round as identify the logo. It will be a non-passable round. There's a negative marking in this round. So each team gets 5 questions. You answer the 5 questions. You have 10 seconds. Even if you don't know the answer, it will be good to guess the answer because there's no negative marking in this, like I've said before. Round number 2 will be a mixed bag round. You're going to be having 10 marks for each question, 5 questions per team, and again 10 seconds for each question. No negative marking again. Round 3 is a rapid fire round. It's a, what should I say, a game turner. So you've got 10 questions for each team, 90 seconds for each team is being given. No negative marking is there, but be aware of one thing, that if you say pass, I'll come back to that same question once all the 10 questions are done. But if you say a wrong answer, that questions is kept aside. It will not be asked from you again. If in case we have a tie-up amongst 2 or more teams, we go to a round that is called as a tiebreaker round. For each right answer, you get 20 marks. For a negative answer, you are actually being marked minus 10. Right? So let's take this thing forward. And yeah, before we go, we'll let you know about our team. We got our dean, Dr. Garima Prakash, with us. She'll be overheading person for this event. She'll be actually looking at the thing is being done fairly. Mr. Saif Anjum, he's my co-host for the evening. Is again going to be my quiz master. And Mr. Deepak Behel is our scorekeeper. He's on the screen. So if in case something goes wrong, some confusion
Deepak Thakur.
happens, he's the one. Sorry, Deepak Thakur, my mistake, my mistake. Deepak Thakur, sir. So, Deepak, sir, we have got 5 teams here. What we can do is Banyan Tree will make the 5th team because as of now, the second person team has not joined in. She'll probably join in by that time. So, first team will be Hansraj, second DPS, third Sunbeam, fourth India School Oman, and then Banyan Tree will be the 5th team. So, shall we start, Deepak, sir?
Yes, sir, start please.
Okay. So, team 1, the first question coming for you. This is a part of a certain logo that we see in the market. What is this logo, team 1? Can you complete this logo for me?
Nine.
Nike.
Yes,
Exactly right. Deepak's a right answer.
Yes.
Team 2, which is this logo? Can you complete this logo for me? Team 2.
H&M.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Team 3.
Yeah.
Which logo is this?
Starbucks.
Starbucks indeed.
Hmm.
Team 4. Complete this logo if you're a music lover.
MTV.
MTV it is.
Okay. Oman got the right one. And team
Yes. And team 5. This logo, please.
CNN.
Exactly right. It is CNN. So first circle is done. We go down to a second circle. Team 1, coming back to you. Can you recognize this distorted brand logo? We're giving you 4 options: Comfort Inn, Holiday Inn, Days Inn, and Best Western. Which hotel logo is this?
Days in.
Which one? Days Inn.
Yes, sir.
It's Best Western. I think, yes, Anvari has joined in. Welcome, Anvari. We'll continue. It's Best Western, so a wrong answer. Team 2. Which color are the owl's eyes in the TripAdvisor logo? Team 2.
DPS.
Which color are the owl's eyes in the TripAdvisor logo?
Gray.
Choose one.
One red, one green.
One red, one green. Exactly right.
Okay.
Okay. Team 3. What travel brand uses this logo in front of you? Is it Expedia, Cheap Flights, Skyscanner, or Flight Center?
Sunbeam School.
Pardon?
Sunbeam
just-
School.
Yeah. Just team.
Team 3.
Sir, cheap flights.
Cheap Flights. No, it's Expedia.
Okay.
Now, Team 4. Which hotel brand incorporates the S below? Is it Sheraton Hotel, Shangri-La, Sofitel, or Steinberger?
Sheraton.
Exactly right.
Okay.
And Team 5. Identify this logo. It's an international airlines. Etihad, Lufthansa, Air India, or Air China?
Sir, it's B. Lufthansa.
Lufthansa. Great answer. Deepak sir, we're going to the next round.
Yes, sir.
Great. So identify the hospitality mascot. What do we call this guy as? Maharaja, Maharajas, Maharajan, or Atithi Deva Bhava? It's JAH or JA? That's the biggest question. JAS, JAS, or JA?
Team 1, Hanka School.
Hansraj. Maharaja, JAS, or JA? Maharajas, Maharaja, or Maharaja?
B. Maharajas.
B. Maharajas. No, it's C. Maharaja.
Wrong.
Team 2. Identify this logo. It's an international airlines. Is it Etihad, Emirates, Qatar, or Vistara?
DPS.
You have the answer?
Answer at least one option. Maybe you could. Yes.
Vistara.
No, it's Qatar. Okay. Team 4. Identify the logo. Etihad Airlines, Emirates Airlines, Qatar Airlines, or Vistara Airlines?
Etihad Airlines.
Etihad Airlines. Nope.
Emirates.
Emirates. And now to Team 5, right? Deepak sir, is Team 5, right?
No, Team 4, sir. Indian School.
Okay, team 4. Identify this logo. This is Fly High Airlines, Indigo Airlines, SpiceJet Airlines, or Vistara Airlines.
Indian School, Oman.
Indigo Airlines.
Right answer. And Team 5, your question, identify this logo. Etihad, Emirates, Qatar, or Vistara?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah?
Sir, actually, Samveen Varuna didn't get a chance to for the option. Team 4 answered 2 questions.
Okay.
And team 3 didn't answer
Yes,
any
sir.
question.
You asked us 2 questions.
I asked you 2 questions. No problem, we'll come back.
No,
We'll-
everybody has been asked. No. Everybody has been asked 3 questions, and now it's the Banyan Tree School, who's got the 3rd question now.
Chef Sunil, just look into it and give the chance if we have missed something.
Yes, ma'am. We have enough things. We'll come back to it.
Yeah, because they
We
need
have
to
enough.
get
We
the
have enough.
appropriate option as the students are mentioning.
Yes. Team 3, Team 4 will bring back one more question for you. So don't worry. Okay. Team 3, Team 4, sir, for this round, we'll bring back one more question for them. Okay. So this question is actually going for Team 5 only. Then we'll come back to them. Team 5, this is your question. Identify the logo. Etihad, Emirates, Qatar, or Vistara?
Sir, Vistara.
Vistara. Great. So that is team 5. Now we go back to team number 3 and team number 4. Team number 3, the last question that was asked stands null and void. So this is the question coming your way. Identify the international hotel chain logo. JW Marriott, Radisson Hotels, Country Inn, or Imperial?
JW Marriott.
Right answer. And team 4, coming towards you, identify the hotel logo that is in front of you. Leela Hotel, Namaste India Hotels, ITC, or IHG?
So Namaste India Hotel.
Okay, it's ITC Hotel. But sir, I think round number 3 is over. We go to number 4 now.
Yeah.
Okay. So 4. Identify the Indian hotel chain logo, the one that you see moving here. So is it Apex, Sheraton, Surya Group, or Oberoi? Which one is it? Apex, Sheraton, Surya, or Oberoi?
Can you repeat this question, sir?
Identify this logo for a hotel chain. Apex, Sheraton, Surya, or Oberoi? This
Oberoi
logo.
Hotels.
You have to be a bit louder.
Okay, right answer.
Oberoi Hotels.
Right answer. Team number 2. The first eco hotel in India had this logo. Which hotel is this? Leela, Orchid Hotel, ITC, or IHG? This logo is of which hotel? Leela, Orchid Hotel, ITC, IHG? The first eco hotel of India.
Orchid Hotel.
Right. So next is team number 3. Identify the international hotel chain, the logo that you see in front of you. Is it Holiday Hotels, Fairmont Hotels, Holiday Inn, or ITDC?
Holiday Hotels.
Holiday Hotels. It's Holiday Inn.
Wrong.
Okay. Identify this logo that you see in front of you. Is it Amex, ICICI, Axis, or Kotak?
Kotak.
Kotak, right answer. Deepak sir, we are going to team number 5 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Identify this online food ordering app. I don't think you require options. Swiggy, Swirl, Seesaw, or Starbucks?
Sir, Swiggy.
Swiggy.
Sir, one of the groups took away our chance. Team number 4's chance.
No, the question was
Someone else-
asked.
No, sir. It was not one of my team.
Somebody else spoke on your behalf.
Someone else spoke.
So, just a small request to all of you: do not speak in between when the question is being asked. It's as per the team numbers. If in case that happens, it's going to be a null and void for the whole group. It won't be right, okay? So, team 4, I'm coming to you. Team 4 gave the answer or not? I think somebody else gave on your behalf.
Yeah, but you got the marks actually, you know, for that.
Yes,
Yeah, somebody else gave the answer on their behalf.
Yes, I
Okay.
didn't hear the question.
Okay. So this question is for team 4, which I guess didn't answer the right question. The last question, team 4. This is your question. Okay. Identify this hotel logo, which is in front of you. Is it Leela Hotel, Country Inn, Le Méridien, or La Marche? This logo.
So Le Méridien.
Leela Group, Leela Hotels. Right? So, the last circle, team 1. Which is this logo company that you see in front of you? Which is the brand in front of you? Cordell Fried Chicken, Colonel Fried Chicken, KFG, or Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Sir, D.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yes, sir.
Right. Team 2, your question. Identify the logo of the famous QSR. Is it TGIF, Olives, Taco Bell, or Bell Restaurant?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. Great answer.
Right.
Team 3 or Team C, the tourism logo is of which state? Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, or Madhya Pradesh? Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, or Madhya Pradesh? Which one is this?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay, right answer.
Right.
So give me just a second, the confusion that we had in between. Let me just bring back one more question on the screen. We require 2 more questions right now, right? Deepak sir?
So we have 2 questions left,
2 questions
Team-
left, right? So
Team
just give,
4 and Team 5.
I'll take just under a minute for your work.
Team member, it's a request. Please switch on your camera. Okay. Everyone who is participating, please switch on your camera.
Okay, team 4. Identify this logo for me, please. It's going to be coming on your screen in a minute. So identify this logo for me. Which logo is this?
Unmute yourself.
Unmute your mic, team 4.
Renault.
Renault, yes. Renault, now it's called Renault. Okay, identify this last time. Identify the famous retail store chain, team 5. Is this Tesco, Walmart, Vishal, or FBB? This logo.
Just to remind you, there is no negative
Sir.
marking.
So Walmart.
Yeah. Right answer. So on this note, we end our round number 1. Deepak sir, can you please have the score on the screen, and then we'll go for our round number 2.
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Sure.
Okay, so please make sure you are answering when the question is for your team. Don't answer for others. Okay, that's why there is some confusion happen. So please make sure you're answering when your question comes for your team, and switch on your camera. Okay.
So give me just a second. Deepak sir is going to share your marks right now after the first round. Then we'll go to our second round.
Okay. Team 1, the Hansra school has scored 30 marks. Team 2, DPS scored 30 marks. Sunbeam School from Varanasi scored 30 marks. Indian School Muscat, they scored 40 marks, and the topper is Team 5, Banyan Tree. They scored 50 out of 50.
Wow, that's a great score.
Good. Let's enter to the second round.
Yes, go to the second round. Saif, sir, you will have the stage. I'll start the presentation, and
Thank
then you
you so
take
much, sir.
over.
Thank you
Round
so
2
much.
is yours, the mixed bag round.
So welcome you all in a second round of a quiz. Second round is mixed bag. Sunil sir, please.
Is it on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
So, as it say mixed bag, it's a mix of a questions, okay, on certain topics. So I'll just tell you the rules of this round. There'll be a 5 question per team. Okay, maximum marks for each right answer will be a 10. Okay, means 10 marks for one right answer. Maximum time per question you will get 10 seconds. Okay, no negative marking. Advantage, no negative marking. Question is unanswered, that question will not pass to the next team. Okay, if you have not answered the question, there we stop with that question. We'll go to the next question. Clear, everyone? Are we ready for it? Shall we start? Round
Let's
2,
start, sir.
mixed bag. Okay, wish you all the best, everyone. So here we go with the first question for team 1, Hansraj School. Okay, to which country did Christopher Columbus belong? Spain, Portugal, Venice, or Genoa? Team 1, Hansraj School. To which country did Christopher Columbus belong? Spain, Portugal, Venice, or Genoa?
Spain.
Spain. Please log the answer Spain. Let's see. Oh no, wrong answer. Team 2. How many Dalai Lama have been there so far? 13, 14, 15, or 16? How many Dalai Lamas have been there so
14.
far?
14.
14. Okay. Great. Right answer. Team 3, Sunbeam School. Where is the oldest university of Europe located? Options are Oxford, Rome, Bologna, Paris. Where is the oldest university of Europe located?
Sir, option C, Bologna.
Bologna, option C. Please log option C. Right answer. Good. Next question is for Indian School. What was the original European name of Australia? New Wales, New Holland, New Scotland, or New Normandy? Team 4, Indian School.
New Holland.
New Holland, option B. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's the right answer. Next question goes to Banyan School. Where did Ernesto Che Guevara die? Argentina, Ecuador, Venezuela, Bolivia? Banyan Tree School. Yes, there is no negative marking, just to remind you.
Anvarina, unmute yourself.
No guess?
Sir, option D, Bolivia.
D, Bolivia. Let's see. Yes, right answer. Okay, now the second circle. The first question goes to Hansraj School. Which movie won the BAFTA Award 2015 for being outstanding British film? The options are The Imitation Game, Paddington, The Theory of Everything, and last is Pride. Hansraj School. Which movie won the BAFTA Award 2015?
Sir, pass.
Time up.
Time up. Next question for DPS. The Theory of Everything, the right answer. Okay, the next question for DPS. Which album won the Grammy Award 2015 for Album of the Year? Morning Face, Beyonce, Sam Smith, or Girl? Which album won the Grammy Award 2015? DPS School, it's your turn to win the race.
Sam Smith.
Sam Smith, let's see. Option C. No, wrong answer. Morning Face. The next question is for Sunbeam School. Which artist won the Grammy Award 2015 for the Best New Artist? Bastille, Brandy Clark,
Sam
and Sam Smith.
Right answer.
Okay. So next question is for team 4.
Indian school.
Indian school, right? Yes. So sir, the next one. Okay. Who was awarded the Nobel Prize 2015 in literature? Options are Moyan, Patrick Modeno, Alice Munero, Svetlana Alexievich.
Alice Munro.
See, Alice Munro. Let's see. No, wrong answer. It's Svetlana Alexievich. Now the question for Banyan Tree. Which actor won the Academy Award 2015 for the Best Actor? Steve Carell, Benedict Cumberbatch, Eddie Redmayne, Michael Keaton. Banyan Tree. Which actor won the Academy Award 2015? Yes.
Which one?
Yes. Which option? You have to be a bit louder.
Yeah.
Huh?
So Steve Carell.
Yes.
So
Which?
option A.
A. Steve Carell. Okay. Let's see. It's wrong answer. Sorry. So circle 3. Question 1 for Hansraj team. You need to identify the famous personality. आपको पहचानना है कि ये personality कौन है, क्या नाम है. Yes, time starts already. Famous personality, you have to identify this. Hansraj School.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Now second question for DPS. Identify this famous personality. DPS.
Joe Biden.
Okay, Harsh Agrawal, Joe Biden. Yes, right answer, Deepak sir.
Yep.
Team 3. The question for team 3, Sunbeam. Identify the famous personality which is on your screen. Identify this personality. Time to refresh the memory, huh?
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. Okay, so lock kar de beta. Shall we lock it down? No. Buzz Aldrin.
Neil also took the picture. He's standing in the frame taking the picture.
Okay, that's the difference. So, okay. Next question for Indian school team 4.
Yes.
This personality you need to identify. Identify this personality. Team 4, Indian school.
So pass.
Huh? Sorry?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. It means team 5. Question for team 5 is Woody Allen. Okay. Team 5. You need to identify this personality. The image, who is in this image? Team 5. Banyan Tree School.
So this time I want to pass because I can't.
See, I'll just remind you, when you say pass, so it means you are not answering, you are losing that question. So we go to the next question. Okay, fine. So the next circle, first question goes for Hansraj School. Which dish you can see in this picture? That girl is holding a platter.
Sushi.
Yes. Sushi.
Right answer.
Right answer.
Yeah.
Right answer. Okay. Now the question is for DPS. Identify the dish in the plate. There is a hint also. It's a goulash coming from Hungary. We need to identify the dish. DPS. Tick tick one, tick tick two. Huh? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Traditional Hungarian goulash, maybe.
Huh?
Right answer. He guessed it right. Hungarian goulash.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So next question for Sunbeam School, right? Deepak sir, team 3.
Yes, in Sunbeam School.
Yes,
They're top.
identify the dish. Which dish it is? Looking so, we can say yummy. Okay, tempting. We need to name the dish. Which dish it is? Sunbeam School.
Sir, vada pav.
Vada pav. Oh my God. Oh, we need to check for it. Just wait. Oh, it's baklava. Not a vada pav. Yeah, I can see. I can imagine it look like a vada pav, but it's baklava. Now you need to search on baklava. What is baklava? You'll get answer. Okay, next question for Indian school. Yeah. Oh, identify the pasta. Indian school. Question for you. You need to identify the dish. Identify the pasta.
Vaishnavi and Kadambari, you need to unmute yourself.
Indian school. Time is running.
Time up.
Oh, time up. It's fusilli. Okay, next for Banyan Tree School. Identify the spice you can see in the image. Which spice is this?
Sir, it's kesar.
Kesar. Kesar को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
Saffron.
Saffron, yes, right. So, last circle for this round goes to first question for Hansraj School. You can see the image. It's Lok Sabha Marg, New Delhi. What is it? Hansraj School. Just reminding you, this is the last question I am asking from for each team. Then after this round will over. You will be entering the next round. So this is last opportunity for this round.
Sir, Parliament of India.
Parliament of India. Let's see. Yes, Parliament House. Next question for DPS. Which city was once known as Byzantium and later as Constantinople?
Constantinople.
Which city was once known as Byzantium and later as Constantinople?
Istanbul.
Okay. Yes. Wait. Sunbeam School, be ready. Question for you, Sunbeam School. Located in the Asian continent, it forms the largest archipelago. What is it? For Sunbeam School.
Sir, British Isles.
Japan.
Japan. Let's see. Is Indonesia. Sorry. Question for Indian school. This is an artwork, basically. Okay. Which was put on exhibition by Saudi Arabian artist Ahmad Master. It is named as magnetism as it has a magnet at the center and iron fillings used to get the pattern. So what real life annual ritual does it try to depict? What exactly?
Mecca, Medina.
It's Makkah or Medina, because you need to specific with the answer. It's Hajj in Makkah. Medina is different. It's Makkah.
Let's give it, sir.
Yes.
Mecca, she said. So let's give
Yes,
it.
it's Makkah. Okay. The next question, the last question of the round is for banyan tree. What could this be? In this image, you can see what could this be? क्या याद आता है? What you can see, what you can observe. Yes, banyan tree. Last question for the round.
Sir, it's for ambulance sign.
Huh?
First aid.
Sorry. Yes, time is running.
So
You need
first
to-
aid sign.
No, not first aid.
No, not a first aid. That is something totally different. The border between the countries of Netherlands and Belgium. See, you can see Netherlands and Belgium, and there's a border in between two tiles. Okay, so here we just winding up this with this round for this round. Very good, good answer and participation. Thank you so much. Back to you, Sunil sir.
Okay.
Let me
Deepak
show
sir,
the-
may I please have the score on the board, please, first?
Wish you all the best for the next round, everyone.
Okay, this round, Team 1, the Hansra School scored 20 marks. DPS Bokaro scored 40. Sunbeam scored 20. So also Indian School Oman 20 marks. And Banyan School also scored 20. So the biggest gain is DPS Bokaro, and total marks right now which stands is Hansraj at 50, DPS at 70, then Sunbeam at 50, Indian School at 60, and Banyan Tree at 70. So two teams tied at 70, and then it's close, very close.
It's very, very close. Anybody can win here. Why do we say this? Because next round can be worth almost 100 marks. This is a rapid fire round. I'll be asking 10 questions from you. Please note few things. Unless you will say pass, I will not go to your next question. If in case you give me a wrong answer, I will not come back to that question. But if you say pass, once your 10 questions are done, I'll come back to that question. Is it clear?
If time left, right, sir?
Yes, if time is
It's
left.
90 seconds
are
limit.
there.
It's 90 seconds limit to participants. So
Yes.
90 seconds you need to answer as many questions as you can.
The time will only start once I finish the first question. And if I'm asking a question when the time ends, you will have 10 seconds to answer that question. Okay, so let's start off.
All the best, everyone. Switch on a camera.
Okay. Team one, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
The time will only start
Sunil
once
sir,
I've
Sunil
asked
sir.
you the Please, please.
Sunil sir.
Sunil sir, can you please repeat the instructions once again?
Sure. So the instructions stand simple. It's Pardon?
And I request only one person to speak at a time because it was creating a lot of disturbance when all the three people were speaking. So Sunil sir, please repeat the instructions once again.
Maximum time per person per team is 90 seconds. There is no negative marking. Each question is for 10 marks. You'll be asked 10 questions in this round. If in case you say pass, I will come back to that question later on once your 10 questions are done. If you say a wrong answer, I will not come back to that question. And unless you say pass, I will not go to the next question. Right? Shall we start?
Okay,
Team one, ready?
Yes, sir.
In which year did Maradona score a goal with his hand?
Pass.
Question 2. How many minutes in a rugby match?
Can you repeat the question?
How many minutes are there in a rugby match?
Sir, 80 minutes.
Right answer. What should you do if you break a sword in your saber match? What should you do if you break a sword in a saber match?
Sir, pass.
Okay. How many matches did Muhammad Ali lose in his career?
So pass.
Pass. Next question. How long is an Olympic swimming pool? How long is the pool for Olympics?
Sir, 50 meters.
Right answer. At what number does one begin when playing darts? From what number does your darts game start? You can answer this question. Pardon? Okay, so this stands passed. Okay, team 1 is done. Deepak sir, maybe have the score for team 1.
They scored 2 right questions. So they
All
scored
right.
20 marks in this round.
Great, sir. Team 2, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the time will only start once I have asked your first question. Your question: which car won Fernando Alonso his first Formula One title?
Ferrari.
No, that's the wrong answer. Who was the champion of Tour de France from 1999 to 2005?
Sir, please repeat once again.
Who was the champion for Tour de France from 1999 to 2005?
Sir,
You can say
Lance
pass.
Edward. Lance
No, that's the
Edward.
wrong answer. Next question. Which cyclist was also called the cannibal?
Marks.
Right answer. How many players has a hockey team got on the ice? Ice hockey team, how many players are there on the ice?
6.
Right answer. Last question for you. How many holes are there on a standard golf course? How many holes are there on a standard golf course? You've got 5 more seconds.
18.
Right answer.
Okay, good.
Great. Deepak sir, can we have the score for the team 2?
Yeah, teams 2 scored 30 marks in this round, sir.
3 right answer.
Yeah, 3 right answers out of 5.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, out of 10.
No, they were
Right,
asked
three answers, right.
3
Okay.
answers. They were.
Yes. Team 3, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In chess, which piece can only move diagonally?
Rooks.
Which? Pardon?
Rooks.
Rooks. No, that's bishop. Okay, next. Which breakfast cereal is advertised with the slogan Snap, Crackle, and Pop? Snap, Crackle, and Pop. Which breakfast cereal?
Kellogg's.
Wrong answer. What sort of animal is the video game character Sonic? Which animal is Sonic?
Hedgehog.
Right answer. Tic-tac-toe is an alternative name of which game? Tic-tac-toe is also called as.
Nuts and crosses.
Right answer. How many players are there in rugby? In each team?
15.
Right answer. Okay. Which is the most expensive property on a standard British monopoly board? Most expensive property on a standard British monopoly board, the game that we play.
Mayfair.
Right answer.
Okay. So third team, they scored 4 right questions. They scored 14 marks this
Great.
round.
Team 4, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which two sports are practiced on a green table? Two sports on green table. Which game do we play?
Table tennis
And
and
Snooker.
snooker.
right answer. What is the name of the Barcelona football stadium?
Pass.
Camp Nou.
Right answer. Where were the Olympic Games held in 1996? Olympic Games 1996.
Sir, pass.
Pass. Nickname of Belgian national soccer team. What do they also call them as? Belgian national soccer team.
The Red Devils.
Okay. What is called as a yoga posture? Give me one more name for a yoga posture.
Savasana.
Right answer. In which sport can you win the Davis Cup? In which sport can you win the Davis Cup?
Pass, sir.
Okay, time's up. Deepak sir, can we have the score for team number 4?
Yes, sir. Team 4 scored 4 right questions. So they
Okay.
got 40 marks.
Okay. Great. So team 5, are you ready for us?
Yes, sir.
Banyan
Okay.
tree.
Please remember, your time will only start once I've asked you the questions. I'll ask you the first question, okay? In Om Shanti Om, which actress starred opposite Shah Rukh Khan?
Sir, Deepika Padukone.
Right answer. Name the owner of Orchid Hotel Group.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Name of the owner of the Orchid Hotel Group.
Sir, Dr. Kamal. Kamal.
Wrong answer. It's wrong answer. You gave me the first answer. You told Kamal. Okay. Third question. What is the full form of ICICI?
Don't waste time. You can say pass if you don't know the answer.
Pass.
Okay. Amrut Mahotsav.
So
Why
in
do we
Paris,
celebrate this? Amrut Mahotsav. Why do we celebrate this? Or why was it celebrated?
Sir, for Mahatma Gandhi Dandi March.
No. Next question. The island of Tasmania is a part of which country? Island of Tasmania. Three seconds.
so Australia.
South
Okay,
Australia.
Let's take that. Okay, on this note, our round number 3, that is rapid fire, is closed. Deepak sir, can you please have the final score on the screen?
Oh yes, sir.
उसको ना कम कर देती कुछ आता जाता नहीं है क्या करें
Please mute your mic, participants.
I done it.
Okay. So we got see final round like team 1 scored 20, team 2 scored 30, team 3 scored 40, and so as team 4 as well 40, and team 5 Banyan School they scored 20. So grand total team 1 scored 70, team 2 and team 4 are tied at top at 100,
Oh, wow.
and team 3 and 5 are tied at 90.
Wow. So we'll only go for team number 2 and team number 4 for the final round. That is our tiebreaker. So team number 2 and team number 4, be aware. If in case you get a wrong answer here, you go straight away for minus 20 or minus 10. You get the right answer, you get plus 20. And we keep on doing this till one of you emerges as a winner. Okay? So shall we start?
All the best, everyone. Teams are ready?
Teams ready?
Both teams are ready? We
Yes,
need to
sir.
announce the school name. Which school?
Sir, could you please repeat once again the instructions?
Okay. Your question will be worth 20 marks right now. If you get the right answer, it's 20. If you get it wrong, it's minus 10. Okay. The questions are not going to be passed. But if you say pass, I will not cut your marks. Okay.
So just announce the team, school name of both the team.
Viva sir, if you may please.
Yeah. Team 1 will be DPS Bokaro, and team 2 will be Indian School Muscat.
Okay.
Muscat. Okay, team 1, your question. Can you please expand RT-PCR? What is this? What is RT-PCR?
So time for them?
10 seconds, I'm keeping it.
The same 10 seconds, yes.
Yeah.
Reverse transcription polymers chain reaction.
Okay. Right answer. Plus 20.
Plus 20.
Team
Okay.
2. Let's have your question. Can you expand PBR for me? What is PBR?
Priya Village Roadshow.
Sunil sir.
Got it, sir.
Right.
So I think both the answers come out right. Now we'll go to a different kind of round. You have to identify a logo for me. Or let's see, identify this person. It will be going to 2 teams one by one. Whoever gives the answer becomes the winner.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Identify this person for me. It's going to be on your screen in under 1 second. Identify this person for me, team 1.
Alphonse Gabriel Capon.
Wrong answer. Team 2.
Al Capno. Sir, DPS from DPS side.
No, you gave the wrong answer before, no? You gave the wrong answer before.
Team 2.
Team 2, sir, they gave the answer again, so it's of no use. Team 2, your question is going to be on screen. If you answer this, you win. Which
full
country?
Sir, I said that full form of his name.
Harsh, you are
Sir,
not team 2. You are team 1. Your turn is gone.
I
No,
said
just a second, just a second.
I said the full form of his name.
What was the name you said?
Alphonse Gabriel Capon.
Okay, fine. My mistake. So you got 20. If in case team 2 gives the answer, they actually come on tie again. Otherwise, you are the winners. Okay. Okay, team 2, your question.
Sunil Chef, you'll have to change this question because this question came before. You'll have to give another question now.
Okay, just a second now.
They had more time, so yeah.
Just a second now. I'm trying to find a difficult question for them.
You don't have to find difficult question for them, but a different question.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second, ma'am. Team 2, if you identify this person, we go for the next round again. Identify this person, please.
Sir Shakespeare?
No, that's the wrong answer. Beethoven. So on this note, we'll close this round. Deepak, can we have the final score, please, now?
Yes, sir. Team 1, the DPS school, they scored 14 marks in this round. They answered both the questions correct. And
Can you present the sheet, please?
for sure. Okay. Team 1, the DPS, they scored both the questions correct, 20 marks each. So they scored 40 marks this round. And Indian School Muscat, they answered the first question correct. They scored 20 marks for question 1 and minus 10 for the wrong answer for the question 2. So they just scored 10 marks this round, and team 1 DPS they scored 40. So overall score is 140 and 110 for Indian School.
Great. So on this note, we can actually declare DPS Jharkhand as a winner, clear winner for our
Thank you,
quarterfinal
sir.
2. Congratulations, and we're going forward to the semi-final round happening in a couple of days. We'll be sending an invite for the very same event very soon. And thank you so much, everybody, for being here. It was fun having you here, and we have lots of more things happening soon. And you'll be able to see this link on our Betel page. You can have a look at this video also down the line, and you can download this video also from our YouTube channel. That will be available probably by next weekend, the full event. Thank you so much for being here, and enjoy your evening, and all the best for your exams, which are as of now happening or on the way.
A big congratulations to Delhi Public School, and congratulations to Indian School Muscat. You girls had put up great fight, and it was a wonderful, and congratulations to all the members. I think so. It was a brilliant round of quiz competition. And all with this, I can definitely see that you people are ready for your next step wherever you go. All the very best, and God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everybody.
All the best, Harsh and Neha, and all team members. Very great.